后来我来看这个美国的前国务卿庞培欧，让半年，今年是第2届到台湾，伊是到高雄去参加全球台商经贸论坛，而且来做专题演讲。庞培欧挺台湾的立场是真明显，伊讲台湾无需要调工宣布独立，因为台湾本地就是一个独立的国家。庞培欧讲，台湾甲美国伫个民主、伫个经济贸易，拢应该更加扩大落合作，强化双边的关系。
Not need to declare its independence because it isn't already an independent nation.
美国前国务卿庞培欧起头讲，台湾无需要调工宣布独立，因为台湾本来就是一个独立的国家。
Undeniable. China's aggressive conduct, diplomatically, militarily, economically, they have waged a war, an economic war on America for decades, have changed this region, and have brought those who prefer peace and commerce even more closely together.
这是庞培欧继半年后搁一摆访问台湾，支持台湾立场的美国前国务卿庞培欧，今日下晝喺咧高雄參加全球台商經貿論壇做演講嘅貴賓，伊認為台美喺咧經貿，或者是民主，攏應該合作。
Is that after decades of naive engagement with China, Americans have recognized that there was nothing free nor fair about that trade. This truth is essential. No matter the country, no matter the deal, trade with China has been and likely will not be in the near future remotely free.
庞培欧唔支持台湾主权，嘛俄罗台湾是一个创新的国家，并且遵守国际贸易规范的模范性，可以对台湾有信心，会让和美国好好发展稳定的经贸关系。
想要获取更多新闻资讯，想要看到主播最新的动态，赶快订阅华视YouTube频道。